Worried about your cholesterol levels? Don't stress, because taking control is easier than you think. High cholesterol can be a silent issue, but making a few simple changes to your daily routine can make a huge difference for your heart health. First up, let's talk food. Adding more soluble fiber to your diet is a game changer. Think oatmeal for breakfast, a side of beans with lunch, or snacking on an apple. These foods act like a sponge, soaking up cholesterol in your digestive system and helping your body get rid of it. Next, get moving. You don't need to run a marathon. Just 30 minutes of moderate activity, like brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing most days of the week can boost your good cholesterol and lower the bad. Finally, focus on healthy fats. Swap out saturated fats found in red meat and full-fat dairy for unsaturated fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil. It's all about making smart swaps. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more health tips.